guys, it's Molly. You're seeing me at a little bit different time in the video today because I wanted to show you first how I painted the abstract background. So I've had this idea in my head for a while, and I have tons of applications for it, like a galaxy scene with a nebula that you can show that way. I have a lot of ideas. So I'm painted the abstract background, and then I'm gonna go over it with fluid art to create almost like a three-dimensional piece. So I'm not sure exactly how it's gonna turn out, but I'm hoping that it'll kind of be what I envisioned in my head. I'm just up for exploring, and I hope you guys are up for following along with me. So without further ado, I'll get to the fluid art part of the piece, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so you guys saw how I got to this point, and let me grab my other blues. And so what I'm gonna do now is do fluid art and blow just some of the edges. I really like the center. I think I'm gonna keep that, but maybe just like a part right here and a part right here. This is for the most part dry now. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. And we're just gonna see how this comes out. I'm experimenting. I have never done this before. Let me rephrase. I tried another piece today. It did not turn out well. I was trying it with some Liquitex pouring medium. Oh no. Okay. Note to self, do not drop paint. Luckily that blended in. I'm already getting some crazy cell reactions over here. So I think maybe down here. And if the canvas shows through, that's why I painted it first. I'm actually okay with that. And I think I'll see if I can blow some of the paint that way, but I think I want to leave this bottom kind of the way that it is. I'll go this, I'll do this first run and see what happens. But I'm kind of yearning for something different, guys. Doing more, challenging myself, and I hope that you guys are gonna do the same, because, getting a technique down, there's so much more out there to learn, to do, and that's really what my channel is about, is my journey through fluid art. So here it is. All right, so I'm gonna blow these out. Yeah, I think I like that. I want a little bit of white right here. Oh, y'all. Wow. I think I do want to fill this in right here, though. I had a little bit of canvas just showing right there. Wow. Oh, do I want to carry it up any further? Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna stall instead. Okay, I think, let me just look at it for a second. I don't know. I think maybe yes, I'll carry it up just a little bit further. Not up to the top, because but I want the eye drawn kind of upwards. So I've got more aqua up here, so I'll do maybe some more aqua through here. Y'all, I really, really like this. I've done, I did a piece where I drew in the center, I painted in the center, and then I used kind of like, I guess it's kind of like this. I did some fluid acrylics on the outside. It was called intercoastal because it reminded me of an aerial view. So I guess I have done this technique before, kind of, but never with such an abstract piece in the middle. Where'd my white go? So yeah, if you guys try something new, make sure you find me on social media and show me. I would love to see it. I want to know what you guys are doing. I just love that you guys are here with me. Oh, I shouldn't have put it right over there. Molly. Okay. Maybe a little bit of phthalo blue in there. Dang it. Oh well, I'll blow it up there. Saw a booger. Yeah, I think I'm done. I really like it. Okay, let me see if I can get my lighting right to show you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna start you in this corner, down here. Look at how beautiful all those cells are. There's no silicone in this. You know what it kind of reminds me of is, I mean, it's the ocean, but you know those little plant flowers that are in the bottom of the ocean? Oh, wow. And I'm gonna do a big painting with just these colors, kind of like this, but over the entire canvas. But I just wanted to, I missed painting with a brush a little bit, and I just wanted to try something different. So this is definitely gonna be a technique I'm gonna be working on, and I hope you guys like it. And please let me know what you think. And let me know if you guys decide to do anything new too. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Happy painting.